Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Whole Family Goes Nuts During a Traffic Stop by Midwest Safety.
Hey, stay in the car for me.
Why?
Stay in the car for me.
Why?
Stay in the car.
Why?
Because it's a traffic stop. Get back in the car.
Traffic stop for what?
Ma'am,
You
get
thought I
back in
was
the car.
following you.
Get back in the
That
car.
light is like loud.
Get back in the car.
I'm home. I was coming
What is a loud light?
home. You
Get-
thought I was following you, and I was
You
coming
gotta get
home.
back in the car.
I saw what you did,
Get
and I
back
wasn't
in the
behind
vehicle.
you or bothering
You
you.
start, man.
And I don't have a traffic stop because I
Okay.
wasn't speeding.
Okay. You
I'm
want to get
Okay.
back in the car? Are you
I'm
fleeing?
home.
Are you fleeing?
I'm home.
Are you fleeing?
No, I'm home.
All right, cool. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back for me. Put
He's
your
trying
hands.
to kill me. He
Put
want
your
to kill
hands
me.
behind your
What?
back.
This
Look,
is a
this is
murder.
not a murder.
Yes,
Relax.
it is.
Relax.
I already got my arm popped, so whatever.
Yes, you can
I'm
start.
home, and he thought I was following him.
hands behind
and
your back.
It's a murder.
Put your hands behind your back.
It's a murder. It's a murder. I didn't do nothing. It's a murder. It's a murder.
Give me your other
It's a
hand.
murder. Look, I'm on my computer. It's a murder. It's a murder.
Give me
It's
your
a
other
murder.
hand.
It's a murder. It's a murder. It's a murder.
One detained.
It's a murder.
Go, please walk away.
It's a
Walk
murder.
away.
It's my sister. I'm
Walk
not, it's
away.
a murder. I'm not going
You
nowhere.
need to
I'm
guys,
not
back,
going nowhere.
back the f up.
Uh-oh. It's about to get active.
You need to back up. You want to get arrested for interfering? Do you want to be arrested for interfering?
And it's a murder.
Back the f up. Back up.
And it's a murder.
Back up. Okay. I'm telling
So why you so close?
you to back up. Back up. Everything's fine. Just back up,
You know
dude.
what's going on? I'm Kiriapo, and it's a murder.
Just back the f up. Let's step back.
She need to take her medicine.
Stop.
Y'all know. I already
Backed
know.
up. Hey. Hey. Back the f up.
If you know what I'm
Step the f back.
That's what I'm doing.
You don't touch the vehicle. You step the f back. You know what? Give me your hand.
Don't hear about doing that.
Give me your hand. Give me your f***ing hand. Let go. You want to
Please, Lord. Please, Lord. Please, Lord. Please, Lord.
Do you want to interfere with the f***ing investigation?
Oh man, this lady about to make her mama go crazy.
Come here. Roll out.
You want to be in it so bad.
In the name of Jesus.
And it's a murder. It's a murder.
Please, in the name of Jesus.
Enough. Got here. You're arrested too.
In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus.
And they know it. They know who I am. They
Calm
know who I am.
down.
I'm gonna blow that
No, in the name of Jesus.
Step back for me.
In the name of Jesus.
Y'all know
He the only calm one. He just looking like, what the hell?
who I am. And I know who y'all is. Y'all
Get in the car
mad.
now.
Y'all mad.
in the car now.
Y'all mad.
Enough.
'Cause
Enough.
I know who you is. You a devil. Bitch, you ain't shit. You ain't nothing. I'm not trying
throw
to
in the car.
resist. I'm not even trying to resist. That's crazy.
She seen her sister put a battery in her back. If you would have just stayed back, she probably wouldn't even been acting like that.
Caught a charge for hindering.
Got mental issues. We all.
Step your feet.
I can't get up.
Put your feet back.
He threw her ass in there.
Feet up.
Sit.
Put your feet up.
Scoot your feet in.
Put your feet up.
Bro, if I need to support.
Please.
I mean, I ain't gonna lie to you. This kind of went hectic a little fast. What was the real reason?
In the name of Jesus, protect my church from these people, Lord. I don't know what they're trying to do.
Do me a favor and we'll
But in the
talk to you
name
over
of
there.
Jesus. In the name
All
of
right, do
Jesus.
me a
In the name
favor,
of
just
Jesus.
go over there.
In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus.
Oh, good lord. I have no idea what's in the car. You just pull them over there.
Both of you come over here. You're good right here by the stairs, bro.
Do you mind just stepping way over there from me? Just all the way. Just go follow him, all right?
Okay, I live right here.
Y'all know what it is. I know who you is, and you know who I am.
Please be quiet.
We need to do some better grammar than that.
Over. And y'all been on my trail. That's a murder. Period. And I'm going for that shit. Yeah, I'm going for it, motherfucking ancestor. Why are you screaming?
All right, come on.
Don't say nothing to
Keep
them.
walking.
Please, baby, please be
Come
quiet.
on, keep walking.
Please, baby, be quiet. Please,
Ma'am.
baby, be quiet. Please, baby, be quiet. Please, Lord,
Ma'am,
in the name of
keep-
Jesus, put this man in front of me. Lord, protect me and my children. In the name of Jesus.
Just come over here, please.
I'm over here. I live here. I live here.
Well,
Leave me
stand over
alone.
here.
Go over there and help them. In the name of Jesus, you need to get back. In the name of Jesus, all y'all, you done did it twice. In the name of Jesus. Oh, please protect my children from these people. These people is not right.
Where's she going?
All y'all.
Ma'am, you got to stay down here.
No, I'm going to call my lawyer. Don't say nothing to them, please, baby. Please,
And
baby,
all
be
of her
quiet.
friends
Please,
come
baby,
over.
be quiet.
They're surrounding me. She keeps trying to get away, so I just detain her.
So she's the only sole driver of this car
Only
here?
one. Only one. All of them came over here.
So
Surrounded
who is
me.
she?
So she's the one that came up, and they were just surrounding me. So it's like pushing them back.
I saw
she
that
would
part.
not
Okay.
leave. And I was just telling her to off. So just like a basic traffic stop, and she tried to fucking bounce and just wouldn't get back in the car.
Do you have a traffic infraction?
Yes.
I don't
That's
know
all
who
it
that
is.
is.
It's literally all it
Yeah,
is.
I don't know who Hay is. I don't know him.
Hey,
I
where's?
don't know who Hay is. Y'all think I don't know what y'all doing. I don't know who Hay is.
Why are you at?
Boy, she on drugs, or she got a mental problem.
Go ask him. Don't ask me, ask him.
Why are you
Y'all
acting
been
like
on me
this?
for years.
Why are you
Fucking
acting
with
like
me
this?
In Palm Beach County.
She having a mental breakdown, bro. Don't even entertain it.
For years. About nothing. I ain't never bothered nobody. I gave y'all peace. And y'all f***ing with me. Because you thought I was f***ing with you. But it ain't my fault. God is real. God is real. Who you really mad at? Who you really mad at?
What is she talking about?
Stop. Just don't talk to her. I got somebody coming. What you gonna do, get her out of here? Will you be drunk and stuff and beating your wife and shit? That's my granddaughter. Y'all done messed with the wrong people. Oh, somebody robbing the bank across town. Y'all better hurry up and get over there.
Bank's closed.
Okay, so the whole family is just thrown off then.
They still robbing.
I mean, she's driving without a license, so I'm just gonna tow the car. We'll take it and we'll go from there. You got her 14? I'll put her in the report, but we can. I mean, should we charge her for hindering?
Officers decide to let the other female go that wouldn't back up from the irate suspect while she was being arrested. The driver, now the only arrested suspect, is being transported to jail.
Y'all been watching me
10-15.
for years, and y'all real irritated. You know I wasn't speeding. You thought I was after you because your demons irritated by my spirit. That's what the happened. Only the motherfucking druggies and the crackheads get blinded by that mother. You ain't alone. You ain't right.
You can see it from the video? Oh yeah. Dude, she like goes to leave, and I was like, get back in the car. She was like, I ain't going back in the car. She started walking. Go back in the car.
Feelings hurt. Your feelings hurt. Tell the truth. Your feelings.
Come on, babe.
Your feelings hurt on your
Come on.
baby now.
Let's
No,
go.
I ain't nobody baby.
Step out for me.
I ain't your baby.
Step out.
I'm the people's baby.
Step out for me.
I'm the people's baby. I did it for the people, not for y'all.
Man, this is the stupid thing you did for the people.
I didn't do it for y'all. The ones who got a power
Doesn't
trip.
want to
Who think
face
they
you.
they ass all up somebody else ass means something. I ain't do it for them. The ones who f little boys up in this I ain't do it for y'all. Y'all gonna have to send you blame me. I'm not worried. They ain't got nothing
I don't know if you want that.
to do with me.
Go in there, babe.
I know. I ain't your babe.
Relax.
I'm God's child. I'm anointed.
Your
I'm
hands
nothing to you. You're nothing. You're nothing.
Jesus.
This suspect was charged with driving with a suspended license and resisting without violence. She is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. While her family didn't interfere enough to get themselves arrested, the mother of this next suspect is about to go nuts when her son is arrested for robbery.
Oh shit, he's got. Oh yeah.
I just got picked up. Gavin! Hey! Don't talk to him. You need to shut your mouth right now, okay? Alright. Okay. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Stop. Tailgate. To the tailgate. To the tailgate. To the tailgate. Here we go. Why y'all so rough, bro? I ain't even resisting. You did resist. For robbery? Yes. What robbery? You know what I'm robbery. No, I don't. Come on. You're going to jail. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Why you arrest me, bro? We already explained why you're... Stop resisting or you're going to get extra charges. You need to get back before... Get back.
That's my son. Why are you
Get back.
push me?
Oh.
Are you gonna throw me on the ground?
Nope. Hands on your back.
You're a bitch, bro.
Why'd you
Why would you put your hands on the officer? That was stupid.
push me?
I didn't push you. You're sitting there handling my 15-year-old son. Are you kidding me right now?
Hey, Jose, you got it?
What the f are you doing?
Hey, call my dad. Unlock your car. She's getting it.
Check on my son. You're gonna arrest me? What is he under arrest for?
He's under arrest for robbery, and now you're under arrest for resisting, interfering with our investigation.
That's my baby. What do you mean?
Now the male suspect's aunt shows up.
What's your
Can you tell me
address?
when this happened, or
Just now.
It just happened.
It was a few minutes ago. Yes, ma'am.
Robbery, like as in they robbed somebody or a store or a house.
So it looks like it's a bunch of kids having a dispute, okay? One of them jumped each other and stole each other's wallets and stuff.
I know I have somebody else's mom in the back of my car because she was not being reasonable and approaching like you did. So
Oh my God, is that my sister-in-law? Is she being arrested?
I don't know. I don't know who it is,
I
but
think
yes,
they have
somebody else is in
actually-
jail. Or
That's
in the
Ashley's
backseat of the car.
And I think that Ashley's being detained right now. I don't know, Joey.
I appreciate you being reasonable with us. Thank you, ma'am. He's kicking the windows. I want you to come over here.
Leg shackles?
What's the matter?
I didn't kick the window.
What was that noise?
My head.
Why are you hitting your head?
Tight. Can you just loosen up a little bit?
If you're gonna relax, yeah, I can help you out.
I'll turn the AC on for you too, okay? Yeah, bro. Y'all arresting me for no reason.
You got enough air? You good back there? All right, we're gonna get out of here.
While the son was arrested for robbery and resisting an officer, his mother was charged with resisting obstructing without violence, totaling a bond of $500. They are innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
You ever notice how fast things go sideways when family members show up?
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. That's it, baby. We out.